let's talk about the negative outcome, okay? Potential negative outcome. So if the US continues down this current path, okay, and loses global confidence from the world, the fallout could be much more severe and very real. I'm not being doom and gloom. I'm just going to give you some realistic outcomes. So if a US default occurs, that would destroy trust in the US economy. Now, one way this could play out is investors could dump bonds altogether, regardless if there are high interest rates and nice rewards, okay? And this could still cause a crash in the bond market and triggering basically widespread market volatility and stagnation across the globe, especially in the US. The second thing that would happen is higher borrowing costs. As bond demand collapses and bonds crash, interest rates go up and they spike. So businesses and consumers would basically face higher borrowing costs, okay, which is not good. This would be killing investment, reducing spending, okay, and shrinking tax revenues. And the third point to that is this will cause shockwaves. So a US default wouldn't just stay domestic in the United States. It would actually spark global financial chaos. It would disrupt trade globally, and it would basically tank international markets. That's extremely highly probable. And including the US stock market too, that would crash as well. The fourth point of that is the Fed would step in and overreact. So obviously things are a mess, things look bad. The Fed steps in after watching interest rates and bond yields spike due to the crash in US bonds. The Federal Reserve would likely overreact by trying to do what they do best, push yields back down. And in order to do this, they'd have to resort to printing a massive amount of money and completely debasing the currency and buying up US government debt because no one else would want it. So they have to buy it themselves. Now, this would require the largest amount of money printing effort in history just to counter the global dumping of US bonds, to counter that force. So to stabilize bond prices, basically, and to try to keep the domestic economy from collapsing, to prevent it from collapsing. So, but naturally, printing that much money would be extremely inflationary, and such a drastic move would basically further erode investor confidence in the United States and in the bond market, okay? So it would be such a negative outcome. And the fifth point, a controlled collapse, engineered reset. So how would this play out? Okay, after the sequence of failures that take place with the bond market, the solution would conveniently arrive, as it always does. The governments and central banks would have a public announcement. They would introduce solutions, introduce blockchain technology-based infrastructure. Maybe they'd tokenize the debt and restructure the system using the very, crisis they created to justify the reset.